you guys. Alright, so I'm gonna be honest, I forgot to film the intro for this movie. That's why I'm doing a voiceover. And the reason I forgot to film the intro is because, well, this video I filmed in 4 days, as it's 4 different looks. Super easy makeup looks, by the way, and for all of these looks I used exactly the same makeup. So I went for one eyeshadow palette, 4 different looks. So for the eyeshadow palette, I chose the NYX Ultimate Bright eyeshadow palette, as I thought it has so many different colors that it's so versatile and you can create, so many different looks. I went with only 4 because otherwise this video would be just a bit too long to watch, I thought. So here you go, guys. I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Look number 1. So I'm starting from the transition color. That means I'm placing this color a bit higher than my natural crease is and blend it. Next, I'm taking slightly bit darker shape and going in the C shape on the outer corner and blending it inwards on the mobile lid to like a middle. I'm going with even darker shade, but this time I'm concentrating only on the outer corner of the mobile lid in a C shape once again, dragging slightly bit to the crease bit with it, but not going far to the middle, just like slightly bit blending it in. With this bright yellow shade, I'm starting from the inner eye corner on mobile lid and then dragging, like blending to the middle. Basically the part where we haven't applied any shadow yet. And then just like merge the colors together, so just blend it through so there's no obvious line where which color started. For this eyeshadow look, I decided to go with a classic slim flick. But obviously you can go as big or as small as you wish, it's totally up to you. But I thought this would suit the best, at least on my eye shape, so that's why I went with a classic slim flick. Alright, now this part is pretty obvious. I'm just going with some mascara. And then adding some false lashes. I'm obsessed currently with magnetic falsies. You've probably seen me wearing these a lot. So I decided to go with the same exact products for all 4 looks. So I'm gonna use in all 4 looks false lashes, but you can just use mascara if you wish. Right, this is pretty easy. Just taking this purplish shade and going all over my lower lash line and just blending it up. Then taking a bright yellow shade and going inner eye corner on a lower lash line and kind of blending colors together. You guys, I've been obsessed with this illuminator by Makeup Revolution ever since I did the review video, so I'm just using this one for inner eye corner. And then some mascara on a lower lash line and the makeup look is complete. Easy as that. What do you guys think of this makeup look? Would you recreate this? Leave a comment down below, let me know. Look number 2. Once again, we are starting from a transition color. That means we're applying the shade just a bit higher than the natural crease is and blending it. Taking the blue shade, I'm going on the outer corner, similar like before in the C shape, but concentrating only on the outer corner of your mobile lid and blending it. Now with this shade, we are going in the middle of the mobile lid. Taking a warm green shade and going only in the eye corner to the middle of a mobile lid. Coming back to a fair shade and the same brush I used before for transition color and kind of softening the top so all the colors blends together. Taking the eyeliner, but this time I decided not to do any flick. I'm just going very close to the lash line, closer on the inner eye corner and a bit thicker on the outer corner, and that's it. Once again, using exactly the same mascara on the top lashes. Magnetic Accents Lashes by Ardell. You can totally skip this part if you wish, just stay with the mascara, but I thought I'm just gonna keep the same products for all the 4 looks. Now with this bright green color, I'm going on the lower lash line in the eye corner and blending to the middle what's left on the brush. Taking this warmer shade and going middle to the outer corner of the lower lash line and blend it. Once again, mascara, and the look is complete. What do you guys think? Would you go and recreate it? Look number 3. Once again, we're gonna start from the transition color, but as you see, I'm starting from the lightest color as we're gonna do more of the smoky eye look this time. Taking a darker shade, and this time I'm going directly into the crease, starting from the middle of the mobile lid and blending to the inner and outer corner. Even darker shade, and this time I'm going closer to the lash line, like concentrating closer to the lash line, once again starting from the middle and blending to the inner and outer corner. Coming back to the fair shade and the same brush we used before and just going on the top where we did transition just to soften up the colors a bit so there's no obvious line between the shades. I'm taking an even darker shade, but this time I'm concentrating very close to the lash line, like basically working out to the lash line. So starting from lash line and then gradually blending it upwards. So there's no like harsh line in between the shades, so it's blended and nice. And then I'm just taking a brush to blend it even more, not adding extra shadow though. For this look, I chose to go with a minimum liner, like super slim line close to the lash line, inner eye corner slimmer line and the outer corner slightly bit thicker, but no flick. Once again, mascara and falsies. As I mentioned before, you can skip the falsies part and just stay with mascara on. I'm taking the shade and going all over the lower lash line and just blend it. A bit of a mascara on the lower lash line. highlight the inner eye corner, and the look is complete. What do you guys think? Look number 4. This one is the easiest look of all 4. So you start from this lighter shade as a transition color, so higher than your crease is, and just blend it with a fluffy brush. And then I'm taking this darker shade of green and going all over my mobile lid to the crease, just adding more color to achieve the shade that I want, and then just blend it, and that's it. Coming back to the first brush that I used for this lighter shade of green, and then just blending both shades together so there's no obvious line in between. So for this look, I decided to go with a slim classic flick, but you obviously could just skip it off and don't use at all the eyeliner, or go with, minimum eyeliner. Once again, applying the mascara and magnetic false lashes, the accents ones, but you can skip that part if you wish. I'm going with this bright yellow color and adding it in the inner eye corner and slightly bit blending to the mobile lid into the lower lash line. Taking this light green shade and going all over the lower lash line, and then just blend it. Highlighting the inner eye corner. Adding some mascara on the lower lash line, and the look is complete. What do you guys think? Would you go and recreate this? I really hope you guys find this video helpful and you're gonna go and recreate, well, at least one of his makeup looks. If you're gonna do so, please tag me in your pictures, as I would absolutely love to see those. And which makeup look was your favorite? First, second, third, or fourth one? Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you very, very soon. Bye! Have an amazing day.